Currently the Fear and Greed Index at position 29. I will make video about cryptocurrencies. If you interested in cryptocurrencies, you can just help me like and also subscribe. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates about crypto. Now we will immediately enter into technical analysis for Bitcoin, where the potential for Bitcoin to rise the range of 17,100 and 17,200 levels. Here is starting to experience increase, and we can discuss if we want to take position long for trading, so we won't take in this area, at that time in this area. We want to see Bitcoin at driver support or take liquid, at the bottom, and this is what happened. We saw the market experience decline, and this is in the golden pocket area, which is here golden 0.618 and 0.65 yay. The range of 16,400 and 16,500 levels is a little over straight to the 16,200 area like that. This is quite a big movement, little minimal, I think this 2.9%, but here we see Bitcoin has increased quite a bit big. That means, if we look at it from a movement like this, even here it's 16,200. If we stretch here, only minor means support that is not too strong but can manage to become a bottom for Bitcoin. For now, it hasn't started to increase again. And this collided with 0.5 Fibonacci level. And indeed 16,800 we can see here, being a crucial level too. You can see from here, lot of price action has hit in this area. Support, and resistance like that. Here the overstreet has reached the 17,000 area. But failed to test 17,200 times. We can still see Bitcoin starting to increase again. Actually, Bitcoin has started to rise quite a bit, 4.8%, but is there still possibility to go up again? Yes, it still is, but do we have to enter long this time? I don't think so. If, for example, you who are late to enter here come back again, maybe I see one of the safer potential scenarios where this market might experience slight pullback again. This is for the trap of some people who see, wow, this is Bitcoin breakout. The term is yes to level 17,000 again. Maybe it can hit the level of 17,200 and above, but it turns out that Bitcoin isn't actually experiencing decline. Maybe it can go down towards 16,400 and 16,500 to the return area. To this area again. So testing, because this is just starting to move up like this. Possible scenarios for Bitcoin that I see with potential or with the signs that we see. Bitcoin cannot make it lower low. Meaning that Bitcoin cannot be below the 16,200 level, so it's low. This has to last, yes. But that doesn't mean that Bitcoin will look at price action. The next one might just be gradual because the market is very easy to fact out. So we'll just look at it step by step. Is the momentum there for Bitcoin to increase again? Actually, that doesn't mean there's no possibility. Yes, if friends ask if Bitcoin can reach 18,500 before the end of the year. Actually, there is possibility that there will be really at the end of the year. But for now Bitcoin indeed showing more sign office, as well as one of which we can see. Because this is more trading here. So we will see that, it is almost the same as a stock index, but this is more like futures. We can see from here. We are already at the support level. Meaning that if S&P here have entered the support level, and they experience bounce rallies that usually occur in stock market like this, might trigger an increase for Bitcoin. As well if for example this support is true. And we pay attention and we mention it directly in this total mention for altcoins. Now this is important support. If friends pay attention, it seems clear that right now, the market is really at the support level. So we're here to get out. Here he can see here there is a top, then we are now in the same area. So here I take comparison compared to Zoom. We can actually pay attention at the total this is experiencing a breakdown. Then taking this breakdown, we have to be careful. Even though right now, we actually have a bit of bounce. Here is the green channel for this week. But this week is still long. We've just changed to a new week. So we'll see, we'll pay attention. I think maybe consolidation in this area might just start to increase, or if Bitcoin drops there might be a possible drop. But Bitcoin has to close above this level because otherwise it's dangerous for altcoins. I usually see likes to form a button like this, where it experiences slight accumulation. There is decrease, then it experiences an expansion here. So the blue color is more towards twist movement. Maybe with an analysis of this condition, you will experience here new testing through, expansion like that. Here, we see the scenario that we discussed. If this is what happened, it's actually quite a shift. Below this level, well this level, is a long stopper down here. For Bitcoin going up, usually this happens. We'll see if it holds at the time. You guys hold it, which most likely there can still be strengthening. But, if he starts to break down here, the stop loss must be strong. So, this is just about possible movement, for Bitcoin, friends. You can pay attention to this level. Even though in terms of the actual time frame, there is a slight difference here. It's shorter, here the movement is longer. Here the accommodation is longer here. I order less, shorter there is. Liquid there is a slight decrease. You could say, it's like a fake down, but it starts breakout. Then expansions like this also have the same background as before.